y'all back. In today's video, I'm going to be making homemade McDonald's, okay? For the very first time. So, see, I'm making patties. I have my fresh potatoes. We got the lettuce. We got the onions. We got the $1,000 dressing. And we got the chips. And we also got the buns. And then we got the one with the seafood. So I'm going to be doing double cheeseburgers. And I'm going to be doing Big Mac. So y'all stay tuned. Step by step, I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna make these homemade McDonald's hamburgers. So stay tuned. And y'all know to do like, subscribe, make sure y'all comment for the video, and let's get into the video. Hey, and I'm back, and I'm cutting up some potatoes right here because we're gonna use these potatoes right here for some good old fresh French fries. Bag of potatoes is the best French fries that you've ever had. So I'm gonna finish cutting up these potatoes, and y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. It's about to be interesting, y'all. Check it out, and make sure y'all subscribe and like this video and comment, y'all. Comment, comment, comment. Thank you. It's that voice again. So now right here, I am washing off these fries. I like to wash my fries twice. So we're gonna drain that water out. You know that water? That's dirty water. We wanna get all that water from fries like that. Ooh, well, we don't get like that. I'm drained. Anywho, so once again, I'm gonna wash them one more time. Wash them out real good. Gonna make sure they good. And gonna get all that extra stuff off. You want fresh, clean fries, and then after that, you're gonna make sure that water is clear. You see that water? Perfect, perfect. Ain't nothing perfect, but well, I'm gonna finish these fries, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Right here, I'm getting ready to season my meat. Onion powder. I like onion powder. We just gonna sprinkle like a little bit, a little bit too much, but that's okay. Now we're gonna use that caramelized onion butter. Ooh, I love this season. It's so you gotta try it, Now I'm coming with that good old garlic powder. Garlic is really good for you, so we're gonna sprinkle that a little bit. I use a lot. Okay. Now we have y'all see it. Always make me sneeze, y'all. It made me sneeze. Oh my goodness. Every time I use this seasoning, I always sneeze. That means good seasoning. Parsley. A little bit of flakes, Give it like a little color to the burgers, you know. You want a little color to it. Yes. Now we're gonna smash that on up right there. Get all them seasonings in there. You wanna work all your seasonings up in there. Ooh, see, it just made me sneeze, y'all. That's why I turned away. Because I sneezed from that time. See right here on these little balls. Now I'm gonna wax paper over it, and I am about to smash these down like that. Cause you want them flat. You know how McDonald's giving you them flat patties. So yeah, we want to smash them down just like that. You can use a roller. You can use a cup. Right here I got a little plastic bowl. So this is gonna work out really good. So I'm gonna smash these down like that. Bam, bam, bam. Yep, just like that. You want to smash them down good as you can. Not too thin. You know, just right. So they can fit, be big, look nice. Smash them down. Smash some more. Look at me, I'm just smashing away, y'all. I'm so silly. Okay, I think that's enough right there. So I'll smash. If you don't quit smashing, okay, that's good. Thank you. All right, we're gonna put it back, show you what it's looking like. Y'all see what I got? Them sesame seed hamburger buns. I got the butter already in the pan, so I'm gonna lay these bad boys on top of here. And we're gonna let these cook till they get crispy. You want them crispy. You know, that's how they be at McDonald's, crispy. We don't know if they buns be crispy, but I'm crispy in my buns right there. You see? Yes. That's how you want them crispy. Just like that. Let them cook. Y'all see me over there with them good old fries over there. Moving around. You gotta make sure they're gonna be golden brown and crispy. That's how you want your fries. Yes. And potato fries is a business. I like the potato fries. They're fresh and they're better. So yeah. Let me show y'all what they look like. Bam. See what they giving, folks? Oh yeah, them buns done. Y'all see that? The moment y'all all been waiting for. Here come the patties. Drum roll and drop the first one down. Yes, there's no patties right there. We can drop some bad boys. Get them out juicy and good. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Keep that notification bell on. Come on, y'all, leave a comment. Let's run this video up. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Share this video. Share it with your family and whoever else want to learn how to make some McDonald's Big Mac burgers, y'all. Stay tuned. I'll be back while I make these little patties right here. I'm out, y'all. Now we're gonna put that Thousand Island dressing on top of that bread right there. That's the bottom piece right there, y'all. So we're gonna put that on, use the butter knife. We're gonna spread it around like that. Spread it around. Then we're gonna add our good old burger on top of there like that with the cheese. Put that on top. Yes. And then we're gonna add our good old fresh cut lettuce that I chopped up real good. I love me some lettuce. We're going to put a little bit more on top of there like that, just like that. Yes, that's how you want it. Then we're going to add our good old onions. I chopped up some fresh onions. Yes, but now we're going to add the pickles. Y'all know I love my pickles. If y'all don't know now, y'all know. Some of y'all know I love pickles. I'm a pickle person. Love pickles. But we're going to put like 3 on top of there like that. We're just going to sit on top of there like that. Then we're going to add another bottom for the middle part right there. We're going to put some more Thousand Island dressing. Swirl it around like that. Don't it spread in? No, we don't need to spread in. Then we're going to get us another little flat patty right here for that one right there. Flat patty. Y'all see it right there with the cheese on top. Some more lettuce on top as we go. So starting to stack it up. I'm so silly. But yeah, we're going to add more lettuce. I love lettuce. I put a lot. But see, McDonald's don't do it like that. I'm putting a lot of lettuce and onion on top of mine. Some more pickles. How many pickles I put this time? This is my burger, y'all, right here. 2, 3, just 3? Okay. Now, for the top, for the grand finale, it's that top bun right there. Yes, we're going to put it on top like that. Bam. And that's what you call a homemade Big Macky Mac back. Y'all see that? And it's dripping. Y'all see that drip? That's a homemade Big Mac right there. Y'all see it? Now it's time for that cheeseburger for King. That double cheeseburger he want. He like ketchup on here, so we got 2 sides of ketchup. He like a little bit of lettuce. Just a little bit of lettuce, not too much lettuce, but he do like lettuce. Yes, he do. So now we're gonna add these patties, these flat patties that I made. We're gonna put one on top like that. Yep. And a little bit of pickles. Yes, he like pickles too, but no onions. He don't mess with the onions. So now put another patty on top like that. And then we'll add a little bit more lettuce on top. So he got his double cheeseburger with lettuce, tomatoes. No, my bad, not tomatoes, I'm sorry. He got his double cheeseburger with pickles and ketchup and cheese and about 2, some pickles, some ketchup. There it is right there. And that is King double cheeseburger from McDonald's. Double cheeseburger. And I couldn't forget the fries. Thank you, y'all. Subscribe and like and comment out.